Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is going to be very important for every candidate because in this video I'm going to talk about the eligibility criteria to attend the counseling for government colleges in the state and which are the private colleges, which are the open state and which are the closed state. So this is the list, okay? State name, and if you completed MBBS from here, then are you eligible for the government quota? In case you have domicile of the state, only domicile, then are you eligible, and whether the state is closed or open, okay? So before we start, there are a few details which you should have in order to get all the updates and the information related to NEET PG counseling. You can join the Telegram group, okay, and you can also book our paid counseling slot, because once you decide to join the counseling, paid counseling, once the seat matrix is released, by that time every counselor will be little busy. So why not to do it from now, so that you can have multiple discussions with us and your all queries will be sorted out, and you can also have a list of colleges where you can expect the seat, which is customizedly designed by us, okay? And you can download our mobile application. It's available on Android and iOS both, and you can also visit our NEET Mentor portal, www.neetmentor.co.in, in order to subscribe that portal there, and you can predict the colleges you can get in your rank, college level details, closing rank for last year, and all such things, okay? And you can contact us on 9319128677. So directly jumping to the information that I wanted to share in Bihar state. So Bihar state is open state first of all, and only if you have completed your MBBS from Bihar, then you are eligible to attend the Bihar state counseling for government colleges. In case you just have domicile and you completed MBBS from outside India or from other state, even from government colleges, still you are not eligible to attend the counseling for government colleges. So for Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttarakhand, and Rajasthan, same rule applies. You need to have your MBBS, then only you can apply for government colleges. In case you have domicile, you are the resident of that state, but you completed your MBBS from other state or other state college located in other state, then you are not eligible for government colleges. And there is one more there are some more such states like Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir, and Maharashtra. These three states also require MBBS to be completed from their state, and only the domicile criteria is not sufficient in order to apply for government colleges, okay? State like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Pondicherry, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam, and Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, and Tripura. These are the states where either you have domicile of the state, still you can participate for the government medical colleges through the state counseling, or you have completed your MBBS, then also you can apply for government colleges through state quota. Either of the case is valid, okay? And these are the open and closed states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. These are the open states, and others are closed. When I say open states, you are not eligible for the government colleges, rather you are eligible only to participate for private colleges in the state through the state counseling. Suppose Chhattisgarh is open state, and whether you are FMG or completed MBBS from Chhattisgarh or Karnataka, you can participate for Chhattisgarh state counseling in order to get admission into only private college of Chhattisgarh. There are two private colleges. So that is meaning of open state, and there is one registration for open state or government colleges included in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. There are two different counselings, okay, for government quota and management quota, and the allotment, merit list, everything will be published separately. But for other state, it's just a single counseling. So these are some of the important updates. In the next video, I will be collating the information related to NRI and some other details which is uh, required for you to understand the counseling and eligibility. But most importantly, the counseling is almost going to start from 1st of September without any further delay. So you need to have all your counseling strategy and the probabilities which you are getting. uh, Counseling is a process where you know 80% of the things in advance and 20% is dynamic. It's not like hit and trial method. You try and then see whether you get it or not, or if you're getting in the first round, then you can expect okay, you can get some more colleges in round 2. It's not hit and trial process. Is you have to analyze it based on the experience, and then you will be knowing that what you can expect from the counseling. Okay, and the remaining 20% part will be dynamic. It may change from the analysis. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching and have a great day.